Gonna go feed me some birdies. Go feed me some birdies. I want hugs off geese. Ooh. Right, geese. Look at the geese. I've got pigeons. Oh, I want geese. Look at the geese. Ow. 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 Not meant to bite my fingers, dumbheads. The geese. Look at my feet. Haha, now what you're gonna do. Now you're gonna do this. Fuck yeah, I'm feeding geese. Come on, pal. Don't you touch my pants. You doing? You doing? You doing, birdies? Hey, you doing? Oh, you good birdies. Oh, birdies. Like little doggies. Right, pigeon, you want some? I'll take those, yeah. Do you mind? Get off. Get off. Ah, that's my finger. Fucking hell, it's gone in seconds. Get off. I'm being attacked by birds. Ow. Ow. Urgh, grab your nose. You doing? You doing? Come here. Playing with me now? Oh, you're playing with me now, are we? Are we playing now? Are you playing? Yeah? What? Over in that shop over there. Yeah, the little cafe down there. 50p. 50p. No, 50p. Yeah, 50 pence. Look at the state of that. You doing? You doing? Are we going to play, birdies? Are we playing? Yeah, birdies. Get some. You guys can have some too. They're not hurting when they bite. They just. You stop it. You stop that biting. You stop that. Stop it. Hey. Hey. No. Hey. No. These birds always play. They're brilliant with these birds. Hey, ya, pal. Hey, ya, pal. It's because I come here all the time. I know these birdies. Hey, birdies. Hey, you birdies. Hello, birdies. You gonna bite my fingers? Is you biting my fingers? Is you biting my fingers, birdie? Hmm? You biting my pants all the time. Stop it. Biting my fingers. Bite my fingers. They don't hurt when they bite. They only peck. They are friendly birds though. Don't bite my thing. Careful, birdies. No. You doing? You doing? You trying to get off my trousers for? Eh? You trying to do? You young one, you are. The older ones are alright and friendly. Gone. Oh, he's had a poop. You had a poo. Hey, what you doing? Right, time to go off.